My role as the pharmacist at the Parkview Advantage Clinic is to enhance the care that patients are being provided in relation to their medications. I help out in a variety of ways. I ensure medication lists are up to date and ensure patients are properly educated on their medication regimens and they know how to take their medications. My goal for the care I provide to patients is to set them up for successful self-management of their medications. One of the big issues that I find that patients at PAC are running into is affordability, especially with the more expensive brand name medications. So I'm able to discuss these concerns with them and maybe talk about alternatives like alternative medications or medication assistance programs and review those recommendations with the provider to try and find something more affordable for patients. Education and counseling are very important for patients so that we know that they have a good understanding of why to take medications. A lot of times when I'm talking with patients about their medications, they tell me that they're not taking it as they're supposed to, and with further discussion, it's usually because they don't understand why it's so important. So I make sure that patients understand what the medication is for and what can happen if they don't take the medications. And I would say that comes up a lot. So it's very important they know why they're taking it, also important to know how they're taking it. Some medications are more complex to prepare and give, like injectable medications. So I can take the time to sit down and walk through that proper technique to make sure that they're getting the dose correctly and making sure they're getting the whole dose they're supposed to be receiving. And usually after counseling, the patients are more agreeable to take the medications as prescribed because they better understand the importance of taking the medication. Patients I've worked with before tell me they've really enjoyed meeting with me because they've never had that opportunity to sit down with a pharmacist before and get better educated on their medications. And usually when they walk away, I feel like they're more confident with their medications and they have a better understanding of why medications are important for them to take as prescribed.